Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, all my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab. Now, I'm popping on real briefly today to share with you a printable that I've created and is now available in my Etsy shop. It's a small journaling kit, but as you know, you can use this for journal making, junk journaling, mixed media, card making, and any other paper crafting that you deem necessary. Now, the kit is called Blush and Blue in Chicago, and it's inspired by, well, actually, trips to see my family in Chicago. Now, I am a small city girl living in a rural part of Georgia. So while I completely get the whole rustic and farm chic and shabby chic aesthetic, architecture, cars, street signs, that's my thing, So for those who enjoy that as well, this kit is for you. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and show you what I've created. Again, the kit is called Blushes in Blue in Chicago, and it's just like it sounds, pinks and blues, watercolors, a little bit of just a smidge of steampunk, and some Chicago flat. So in this on this journaling page, there's a Chicago flat. We got some music notes, watercolor, beautiful floral spray there, the little birdie, and a vintage balloon, along with the brick background. On here we have, let me bring this down just a bit so you can see some of the detail. Here we go. And there we are. All right, and so here, again, we have a ticket, dragonfly, some washi tape in the background, a little stamp, and a little gear there, some script writing, brick background, another Chicago flat, all right, and some blue flowers there. Here we have the Washington Ave sign, some flowers, another dragonfly, nice little downtown architecture, the big brick background, script writing, soft watercolor in the back, and a little bit of that gear right there. You can see that. There we go. Page 3 is ledger paper in the back, some journaling spots, watercolor flowers on top. Up for you guys. Soft watercolor, large spray, and this is it's faint enough for you to be able to write on top of it. A couple of splashes of white paint, watercolor that is. Then we have the washi tape again, that dragonfly, some script writing, the gear. I love that gear. A little bit of let me show you it right there. My lighting isn't the best today. And this is the collage sheet. There's also a sepia toned one in this kit, and on camera you might not be able to see as much of the variation, the difference between one or the other, but if I printed it, I will show you. But you have the tickets, the washi, the white splashes, the blue roses, and in the background is a beige coffee colored page with the script writing. We have a plain brick background. Okay. And then this postcard, we've got the postcard with the little flat there, another journaling card with the balloon, the hot air balloon with the water floral spray, little script on the side, and again it's faint enough for you to be able to write on and vivid enough for you to leave it just as it is if you need to. There is a journaling tag there, and here is an envelope. Now this envelope, once printed and cut out looks like this. It's about 6 inches by 4 inches, I believe. Let's see, am I correct? 6 by 5. Yep, 6 by 5, 6 by 4, 6 by 5, 6. And the way that I printed the frame, you can actually use this to make, it's a little fruit fly. You can actually use this to mail sender's address and the recipient's address right there. So that is the envelope. And then on this journaling element, we have 2 tickets. We have the little Washington Street sign, Washington Ave, the floral spray, 2 washies, pink and blue, a couple of dragonflies, different sizes, and then there's the bingo card with the watercolor in the back. And that concludes the kit. There's 13 pages. I will leave a link below to this kit in my Etsy shop, and for the month of June it will be on sale 20% off. Okay, it's a new kit. I love it. I hope that you guys will go ahead and grab yourself a copy and get busy making for the month of June. Now, these colors are light enough for you to use in the summertime and soft enough for you to use throughout the year, you know, in the winters or what have you. But nevertheless, I enjoy creating it for myself as well as for all of you. And so that being said, thank you so much for watching, and until we're back here together on Patreon and YouTube, guys, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafting. Bye for now.